If you want to see what I've bought recently, craft and hobby wise, from Michael's, Joann's, Daiso, Walmart and a Hobby Lobby, then stay tuned because I went on a bit of a craft haul. Hello my planner pals and crafty crew, welcome back. If you're new, hi, I am Di, this is Creative Common Design, and as I said in the intro, I went on a bit of a, I'm going to call it a craft haul, planner haul, things. I went shopping. I have not been shopping, proper shopping, for a while. So I was overdue and I was feeling down and it was exactly what I needed. That's what I will say, it was exactly what I needed. This is not all from one trip. This is from 2 trips. I went out on Thursday and I went to Daiso, Michael's, Joann's, TJ Maxx, Ross, Walmart. I'm probably missing somebody there, but I went out and did that. And then on Tuesday, I went out to Dollar Tree, the thrift stores, 2 thrift stores, Hobby Lobby, and then our Joann's locally. So Thursday was a trip out and about, and then locally was Tuesday. Let's start with Daiso. This was everything that I got from Daiso. I have to be honest, I was a little bit underwhelmed by Daiso. One, I am not the kind of person that likes to, like, if I want to see the price, I want to see the price of something. Just show me the damn price. Show me the damn price. So everything that I got was $1.75, except for this, which was 75 cents. I just got nothing. Now our Daiso, I didn't even know we had one, but our Daiso is a distant away. It's not somewhere I can go regularly. It's too far away to go on a weekly basis, in my opinion. And I just decided that I was just going to have a fun trip. And yeah. So this is actually, oh my God. This is one of the things that I was afraid of. Like, the stuff is, it's cheap. It's cheap because I can't get this now to not rip. There we go. Hopefully that is going to not rip. But I figured this is basically just tape. It's just like washi tape, right? So that's how I'm going to use it, is just as a washi tape. I mean, there's so many stores like it. It's basically like a Temu, but Japanese, and a store rather than ordering it online. But I just wish they would do, that is absolutely useless as a cutter. I just wish that they would do the prices on things. But I bought this just as a whim, I'm going to say, because I figured it's white. It's basically going to behave like washi tape because it's white as the background. So I don't know if I'll use it, but yeah, for 75 cents, I'm okay with that. I got this, again, I'm just trying to get different things. It says it's duct tape, but I didn't really find anything that made me go, oh, this would be worth coming again. Gotta be honest. If you found some good stuff in Daiso, I want you to let me know in the comments, because I did not. I did not. Oh yeah, it's definitely duct tape. But I just thought that was fun. And mostly, I gotta be honest, I'm thinking of my planner because it's literally almost as big as the, I'm thinking of the monthly, it's almost as big as that, like space. Do you know what I mean? Like putting it in the boxes. But again, white background, that's what I look for. White background, white background. So, you know, just something fun, just something fun. And this was the first thing that I saw, which is, this is a washi tape. No, it's a masking tape. I wish, I'm going to get into a whole annoying thing here, but it's Disney. So that has me excited. That is a masking tape, it's not a washi tape. But that is fun. Yeah, that's not going to rip. And that's okay. So I've got a fun Disney washi that I can use. And then there was this set. Again, this was $1.75. If you're looking for washi, there's a ton of washi. Ton. And some they did have like the stuff that they have on Temu. Like of girls and stuff like that. Yeah, see, it's not the same. It's not the same. This is a little plasticky. It's not paper. It's plasticky because it's, you can feel it's different. It's not paper. It's got a plasticky feel to it. But yeah, I mean, I'm not going to swatch all of those, but because I have too much. I have too much stuff right now. I need to get this away and in my stash. And then this one, I literally bought on a whim. And that's what I do. I just, you know, buy things on a whim, because I want that. I wanted that one and the dots. Yeah, you all know that I like geometric patterns, so again, just buy something different. But I figured neutrals, always handy, always handy. So I've got two, I'm going to call them things, piles, two piles of washi. These are for my scrapbooking projects that I want to start. So they're just some fun buttons in different shapes and colours. You know that I like bright colours, kind of go together. Maybe I'm in a bright phase. And then I got this stamp set. This was literally the only stamp set that I could find. And when I say the only stamp set, this one. It was not with any of the stamping stuff. They had like acrylic blocks and stuff like that. It was the only stamp set that I could find. There was nothing else with it. But it's just like a little teddy bear, little speech bubbles, some banners, just some little flowers. I literally bought this. The only reason I bought this was for this little email stamp here and this little postal stamp. But for $1.75, that can go in my stash. So I'm going to put that away. No, I'm not. I'm going to put it to one side. There we go. And again, all of that was $11.25. All right, then I went to Michael's. Now, I looked around that Michael's. That Michael's was terrible. Was terrible. They literally, the shelves were empty. It was terrible. What I did pick up was these. I bought some of the blanks, like the t-shirt blanks. This one in a kind of sagey green. Sagey green, I'm going to call it sagey green, because I want to do some Cricut things with it. So if you have these are the Gildan brand. I've never bought these before. So if you have these, let me know how you like them, because I have not bought them before. And I'm hoping that they go okay with the Cricut. So I've got two of those, and they were on sale at $2.99 each. I've since found out that they're always $2.99 at Hobby Lobby. It's fine, but they didn't have these colours at Hobby Lobby, so there's that, I guess. But those were $2.99. The only thing that I picked up at Walmart were these. Now, you know that I've been doing Project Life in a binder, and I thought I was going to fit everything in one binder for the year. I'm clearly not, because I'm already half full. And so I was like, I need another one. And I bought two of the white. I am loving looking at it in the white. I've already kind of got that video editing right now, and like it's saving, it's rendering. So let me know what you think of the white. It's much better than the blue, in my opinion. But these are literally like $6, and they're 2-inch rings. No brainer. So I bought two of those. After that, that was it. That's all I bought that day, other than dog toys and things for the dogs. Tuesday, I went shopping. I went to the thrift store. I went to Goodwill, was the first one that I went to, and I bought this. This was $4. This is a K & Company scrapbook. Now, the cover is a little bit dented, but once it gets stuff in it, it'll be fine. I'm thinking of using this as my Hawaii album. So it's 8.5 by 8.5. It's basically new. You just got a little pocket here that needs sticking back down, but it's got all the little inserts in it, these little insert things that you can put things in. I don't think I'd use them, but that's fine. And it's got the little inserts in here, 8.5 by 8.5, but I can also add other inserts into it. But for $4, that's just worth getting for $4. And that was again from Goodwill. This cover, like this, will come off. That's a bargain. Can we just say that is a bargain? After there, I went to Dollar Tree, and this is everything that I picked up from Dollar Tree. I bought the iron-on vinyl. I bought 4 of the iron-ons in white and black. For the t-shirts, I bought black because I have some white t-shirts anyway. I thought the white for the iron-on because, again, that is the challenge right now for me for my Cricut. These are 50 cents each. So $1.25, $1.25, heck yes. I bought a roll of tape because we always need tape. I'm not counting that as a craft thing. I always need tape. And then I bought this Crafters Square cork sheet. Now I bought this for cutting on my Cricut to make things with later on in the year. So that is a later on project. So again, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 things. What's that? $5. Perfect. Done. Boom. All right. Then I went to our other thrift shop, and this is it's like a animal rescue thrift shop. I got this Under Armour sweatshirt, which still has the tags on it, and I got it for $4. I know it's kind of like a icy blue grey, but this is out of my comfort zone. Now that I look at that, it's kind of that colour. But it's out of my comfort zone because I will probably spill something down this within a week of wearing it. But I just thought, for something that was new, I am down for that. So that's going to go in the laundry right now. And then I got a black folder, literally like the white one that I just bought. But this was $2. Yeah, $1.99. Oh, it's upside down. $1.99. So that is a future Project Life or other kind of project, but for the massive 2-inch rings, well worth the $2. Okay, then I went to Joann's. As you know, the Joann's are all closing, and they're still not like fantastic sales is what I will say, but not when you consider that, you know, they usually have sales and stuff on anyway. But I bought inks. The inks were 40% off, and I just wanted to get inks. So I got Festive Berries, Mowed Lawn, and Broken China. These again were 40% off. Some refills for my tiny attacher, and then some gold embossing powder, again 40% off. Yeah, just things that I kind of needed slash wanted. After I went there, I went to Hobby Lobby. Now, I went to Hobby Lobby because they have 40% off their scrapbook albums and inserts. That's why I went. And then I got 2 packs of inserts, 2 sticker books, discs, and 2 scrapbook albums for $25. For $25. So I am down for that. So I picked up these discs that were $174. Always need expander discs. Like, I'm thinking of changing these, and that's another project. Whatever, don't need to go into that right now. But I got these. These were 40% off. They're just like alpha stickers. I've been using these quite a bit in Project Life, so that's why I bought those. I bought a sticker book because it was $5. That's the only one that I could see that was cheap. But it just looked like it was one that was going to go with other sticker books and kind of extend their life. Extend the life of other sticker books, which is what I'm all about. And then I looked at the scrapbook stuff, and they had these. These are $3.24 and $3.99. They are 6x12 albums, and they have the page protectors in them. They have 10 page protectors in them, and I'm like, this one would be fun as a Disney album. Maybe. I don't know yet. I don't know what they're for. I'm not sure, but again, 6x4 little inserts in there. And then same thing here, 6x4 inserts. And I was like, I already have some of these inserts anyway, but I was like, for $3, I'm gonna buy those, and then maybe one ends up being like the week in the life, day in the life type album. I'm not sure what they're for yet. And then because it was 40% off, I bought another set of the inserts, and then I bought this that was the other way, for lack of a better word. It's the other way, because what I thought was I can cut that off and then I can put them in here and then just fold this one in if I have any that are that way. So yeah, and I can use them for other projects, but when they're 40% off, I don't mind picking them up. I don't know how much I've spent. I will total that up when I do my budget update at the end of the month. There's nothing here that I have buyer's remorse for. I am loving this. Yeah, I will definitely be looking out in the sales for scrapbook albums. I'm not liking the 12 by 12. I did look at the 12 by 12. They're just far too big. I think the 8.5 by 11 is something that I might pick up. I wish Michael's and Hobby Lobby and any craft stores did the 6 by 8s. Maybe they will in the future. I know at Hobby Lobby they've got the craft cover, like the cardstock cover ones. I just don't like those. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!